crazy. I'm trying to record a video. I'm sitting in the window because of the lights. And my mailman keeps walking past because it's his job. Also, there is a box in the background. That's because we're moving. And I have like stuff packed up and it's covering my rug that's rolled up. So just ignore that. So today, Today I'm gonna do Today I am doing a makeup tutorial. And Jesus has risen from the grave. He is risen. There's my mailman again. Oh gosh. You'll have it all linked at the bottom. Or at least the name of it. So let's get started. Oh, he's walking by again. Around my like chin and stuff, it's darker, and also on my forehead I'm darker. So when I first put my makeup on, it definitely looks like I'm white or I'm too dark, but it's because I have different tones like all over the place. So like right up in here, it's gonna start looking real ashy because I'm darker around my forehead. But we just go back in and save that section from looking crazy, because on the top of my head, see, like everything was looking fine until I cover up my forehead, and now it's like, whoa, she must have rose with Jesus, which I did, but you know what I mean, because I look dead up here, but you know, it's cool. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. Starts off the same way every day. You know what I do? Don't worry about it, because it's makeup. It's like a pencil and an eraser. Add a little more detail, and that's what we're gonna do to this forehead. We're gonna add detail because this is a negative. So right now I'm going to use a cream concealer, and I just feel like I look really messy because the background is jacked up. The cap to my my cream contour / concealer kit is off, but it's from BH Cosmetics. It is the Studio Pro kit. Take from this one and this one. This one has more like a red tone to it, and this one is more cool, so I'll mix the two. But it looks really nice. So since I just said it, I'll just do that now. I'm gonna end up having to go over my forehead again because this is not gonna be enough for my forehead. I'm gonna have to use a powder as well. And of course, everyone knows no one's face is perfectly symmetrical. And when I'm doing my bronzing or contouring or whatever, that's normally when I notice that my face is completely not symmetrical when I'm doing this. So this is golden and the age rewinding. Oh geez, Maybelline. Try not to touch the highlighter just yet, or the concealer, whatever one you would have. Same thing. I think, oh, that's a hair. Okay. I do these videos, you would never know I have like 1,002 brushes, but I'm so weird. When I was working at MAC, I would use like my whole brush belt, and I used to tell them, like, when I do makeup on myself, I literally use like a brush or two, and I don't know how that happens or why. but it's like I just don't put that brush down. I just keep using it until I'm done. And I have so many brushes, but I just be like, well, this one's fine. I don't know who I think I am, but I keep doing my eyebrows first, and I do that on people, but I never do that on myself, because when you do it on yourself, I can almost guarantee that you're gonna mess it up somehow. So I typically do not do my eyebrows first. I feel like I'm gonna end up muting out most of this talking, so I'm just gonna talk, because I'm gonna end up taking it away anyway. Okay, so now that I have my basic foundation, basic contouring done, finito. So this is C6 that I use, like I can use it all over my face, and it's still a little bit warmer than my face, but if I go any lighter it's ashy, so I have to use this one, which is C6 from MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. And then I have the C8, which some summers when I'm real lucky I can get up to C8. Not most of the time, because that's more accurate, but there we go. Like to deepen my skin tone a little bit, type bronzer. Can't use it for like serious contouring, but I can use it to do what I said I was gonna do about this forehead situation. Use this, I think it's Morphe. It's 2019. I should know how to say this now. I'm pretty sure it's Morphe, but some people say Morphe. Pretty sure it's Morphe. This brand is the one I'm gonna use right now. So yeah, there's my transition shade, pretty BH Cosmetics from It's My Raye. Put it like all over my lid. And I'm gonna use this MAC Chrome Yellow as my, I don't really know. So there's my yellow in there a little bit. And this is the Marble Warm collection. This is the NYX Vivid Bright. I think they're like $6. And I'm probably gonna show you guys how it looks with lashes too. This is just with mascara, but lashes always change stuff. So, go in with my little baby cork. That's all I have left. went from white to bright. Ah. And so I hope you guys have a blessed day. It's been amazing. Remember that when he rose for all of us. Why am I talking like that? He rose for all of us, and the Lord is my savior, and he's not already yours. I hope that he becomes it. So see you in the next one.